Ready to simplify your international spending and money transfers? Have you heard of Revolut, but aren't sure how to get started? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to open a Revolut account, step by step. It's a super simple process that takes just a few minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Revolut app from either the App Store or Google Play. Just search for Revolut and you'll find it. Once it's downloaded and installed, open the app. The first thing you'll see is a welcome screen. Tap Sign Up to begin the process. The app will ask for your phone number. Make sure to enter the number you want associated with your account. Revolut will then send you a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter that code into the app to confirm your number. Next, you'll be asked to provide your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and home address. It's crucial to enter these exactly as they appear on your official ID, as this information will be used for verification later on. Once your personal details are in, you'll need to create a passcode. This will be the code you use to log in and authorize transactions. Make sure it's something you'll remember but isn't easy to guess. Some devices might also give you the option to enable fingerprint or Face ID for quicker access, which I highly recommend. Now comes the verification part. To comply with regulations and keep your account secure, Revolut needs to verify your identity. The app will prompt you to take a photo of a valid government-issued ID, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. It's important to take a clear, well-lit photo of the document. After that, you'll be asked to take a quick selfie to match your face with the photo on your ID. This is a standard security measure. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might include moving your head or blinking. Once your documents are submitted, Revolut's team will review them. This usually only takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take a bit longer. You'll receive a notification when your account is verified and ready to use. Congratulations! Your Revolut account is now open. You'll be able to access your main currency account and can start exploring all the features, like creating a virtual card for online purchases or ordering a physical card to be delivered to you. And that's it. You're all set to use your new Revolut account for seamless spending, international transfers, and so much more. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.